Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download from a Google Play Store, as well as to use the browser on Samsung Galaxy A73. First, let's try Google Play Store. So here I can try to download the game, but as you can see there's something went wrong error. Now let's go for the browser, Google Chrome, and we can go for YouTube, but there's also the problem, and to fix both of these issues we'll need to head on to our settings, scroll all the way down to find general management and enter the date and time. Enable automatic date and time. If you go back and open Google Play Store, games should be able to download now, as well as the apps. And let's try browser as well. Here's Google Chrome and the same YouTube page, works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.